Hi my friends, how's it going? So today we're going to do a review and walkthrough of the 2K Profit System. Now, the 2K Profit System is a four-step system designed by three top marketers, and it's designed to get you to earning commissions of up to $2,000 per week over time, if not more. And it's also designed to get you earning not only instant commissions but also residual monthly commissions, and it's designed to make all of your marketing much easier. Okay, instead of being all scattered everywhere, it's designed to help you streamline things and focus on one system to build whatever you're building. Okay, so when you click either the link in the description or the link in the email I sent you, you're going to come to this page here. And if you haven't signed up yet, make sure you go ahead and go through and sign up. It's a free account. Okay, you can watch the video here to learn more about it. And then you can click here to learn about your sponsor. That's going to be me, obviously. Um, and then once you create your account, you want to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and actually go back to my account here. And I'm already logged in here. Okay. So once you log in, all right, it's very simple, very easy to set up, and we have full support for this. Okay. No other funnel out there has the support that we have. Okay. There's a lot of different funnels out there right now, a lot of great funnels out there. And none of them have the support and the groups and team support we have, okay, with the 2K Profit System. Now, when you first log in, you want to make sure you watch this introduction video here. This is going to explain to you exactly how everything works, okay? Down here, you're going to join our WOW app group. Now, WOW app is a free way to earn money. Also, it's a great communication tool. We use that to communicate with our team. We also use our Facebook group. Okay, so with WOW, when you click here, you're going to join WOW app through your sponsor. Now, if you're already a part of WOW app, no need to join again. With anything in this system, if you are already a member, simply add your existing IDs. Don't join again. Just add your existing IDs. Okay, so join the WOW app group here by joining your sponsor in WOW app. Join the Facebook group here, and then make sure you read all through all this here. Okay, this is going to tell you our Zoom schedule here. Make sure you read all this, how to upload your photo. You're also going to get a free $100 hotel savings card just for being a free member. You don't even have to take action on anything. You just log in, and you can just go here and request your free discount card. Okay, that's just as a gift from the owners, from the admins. It's just a thank you for getting started with us. Okay. So next we're going to go to step 1. And adjust my camera here a little bit. Looks like it's a little bit too high. Yeah, it's a little better. All right. Step 1 is to join the TL2I Cash Mailer. The TL2I Cash Mailer, it originally started as a viral mailer called the Traffic Leads to Income Viral Mailer. And it's owned by Rob Gearing, who's one of the co-founders of the 2K Profit System, and it's also also one of the longest running admins in the viral mailer and traffic space. Okay. The TL2I Cash Mailer is a reimagined version of the Traffic Leads to Income viral mailer. Okay. And make sure you watch all these videos here. Some cool things about the TL2I Cash Mailer is that you can actually earn by reading other people's emails. You'll actually earn, depending upon your membership level, you earn one penny per click, up to 1 penny per click, just for reading the emails. Okay, and also you can advertise all your other own opportunities in there. You can add your own items to the downline builder. I will actually be doing a detailed video on the TL2I Cash Mailer in the future. In fact, I'll be doing detailed videos on all the programs that are part of the 2K Profit System. Okay. So make sure you read all this. You gotta make sure you have this. Now, if you read here, okay, there's another step in the 2K Profit System where you join an opportunity called Wealth Step by Step. Okay. Now, if you join Wealth Step by Step, Rob, the owner of the TL2I Cash Mailer, will actually give you a free JD upgrade. Okay, in the TL2I Cash Mailer. Okay, so that's a free upgrade just for joining that opportunity. In fact, the upgrade at the TL2I Cash Mailer is worth a lot more than the Wealth Step by Step costs. Okay, than the investment Wealth Step by Step. So make sure you do that. Okay, and you just read through all here, and then it's going to show you exactly how to find your ID, and you're going to be adding that into your profile here later on. Okay. we go to step 2, step 2 is, well, step by step. And Susan McCook, who is one of the co-founders of the 2K Profit System, she's going to explain to you all about, well, step by step, okay? And make sure you read all the information here, okay? Make sure you read everything. And again, I'll do a detailed video on, well, step by step as well, okay? Make sure you record your ID, put in a notepad for now, okay? Make sure you complete everything in your profile and, well, step by step too. And once you're done with that, and of course, make sure you watch the video, going to continue to step 3. Okay. Step 3 is Genesis Lifestyle Network. And this is the key component in earning those $2,000 commissions, okay? So Genesis Lifestyle Network, or GLN, is owned by Jared Myers, who's also a co-founder of the 2K Profit System. So there's 3 people here that have founded this system, and they've all been marketing for 20 plus years apiece, okay? So you got about 60 plus years experience in this from 3 top marketers. And these people are people that I worked with before and I trust completely. So it's not like someone who just, some guru that puts together a system and this just believes you on your own. Okay. Now these guys attend all the trainings, all the meetings. They are in the groups. They are active. Okay. So you're always going to have someone there, whether it's myself, other members, other leaders, or the founders, someone there to answer your questions and help you. Okay. So you're never going to be. This is what's different about this. You're never going to be left behind. Okay. Some companies and opportunities say, "Oh, we want to work with you," or you're building a business for yourself, not by yourself. When they literally leave you by yourself to figure things out. This is the epitome of that statement. You are building a business for yourself, but you are not going to be by yourself because we have consistent training, meetings, and support. Okay. So that being said, when you join GLN, again, I'll do a detailed video on GLN. Make sure you watch Jared's video here. And he's going to explain to you what the different levels in GLN are and what the commission structures, all that are. Once you become a member of GLN, you can get in, and once you sign up, you can look through and see which of these packages you want to get into. Okay, but the way you get into these $2,000 commissions is to get all in. Okay, now that being said, make sure you watch the video. Make sure you read through all this information, and make sure that you're in the group and asking people questions. You know, people that have had experience with GLN, people who have actually earned these high commissions with GLN. Okay. Once you've finished watching this video and you've read everything and you record your ID, okay, go to step 4. Step 4, you join LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap is what we use to build our pages. In fact, Susan McCook is the one who's designed all these pages for us. And we actually have pages and short codes here that you can actually plug in to LeadsLeap, okay, and have instant pages created for you. Instant capture pages, okay. We've even got an email series you can use, all right. And again, I'll do a full detailed video, probably several videos on LeadsLeap because there's a lot to it. But this is the core system we use to create our lead capture pages, okay. So make sure you watch this video. Make sure you join LeadsLeap under your sponsor, or if you're already a member, that's fine. Just use your existing account, okay. And record your ID, okay. All right. And you see, here's examples of the pages we have available for us. Okay, they're really great looking pages, okay. And then here it kind of explains to you how to actually use the import codes, the share codes. Let's go back to the top. And that's the 4 steps right there. That's the 4 steps, okay. Then what you want to do, you want to go to your profile, okay. And then you're going to scroll, make sure everything's correct, okay. If you want to change your password, do that here. Enter your phone number, and then enter your ID as well, step by step, your TLTY cash mailer, your GLN, your LeadsLeap, your WowUp affiliate ID, okay, your Facebook profile, a link to the image that you're going to host on the site, so you host it wherever you want to, and then just put the link in here. And then some IDs to additional traffic sources that you'll find inside the system as well, okay? And then just click update. And as you go to resources, we have training calls, prospecting calls. We also have the recordings of the calls in the back office for you. Different ways to get traffic. We click on that. Okay, so these are the mailers that you would add your IDs for in your profile. Okay. And then some paid traffic that they recommend as well. Okay. And we have emails and social media images and viral mailer scripts, banners you can use. We have a done for you setup service you can purchase if you want to. And this is our leaderboard that tells you, basically how everyone's doing as far as referrals go. So that's my quick review and overview walkthrough of the 2K profit system. Make sure you get started as soon as possible, guys. Get started now because we're in the beginning stages. You want to get it now to position yourself because this thing's exploding right now. Okay, we have, I think, over 600 members right now. We've been around for less than a month. Okay, you want to get in as soon as possible. Okay, so be sure to click the link in the description of this video if you're wherever you're seeing it, or the email. Get started. You can sign up for 2K Profit System for free, and then you simply the only additional investments are the different income streams. That's it. Okay. So, guys, thanks for watching. And one quick note I want to tell you guys is that if you are promoting other things right now, okay, you have other companies, other businesses you're promoting, that's fantastic. You can use a 2K Profit System as a front-end funnel. Okay, this is the key, is front-end, back-end marketing. Use the 2K Profit System as a funnel to get people in. They see all these different opportunities in the front end of the system. They might join a few under you, whatever, or maybe they might join all. Inside the TL2I Cash mailer and inside GLN, you can actually add your own programs. Okay. So if you position yourself, if you strategically do it correctly, you can actually add the programs you're already promoting inside on the back end. Okay. Your TL2I Cash mailer, depending upon your membership level, you can actually add up to 25 different programs in the downline builder. Okay. So that's just something we can think about. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you have questions, please reach out. And with that, have a great day.